All right, so this is the measurement of Flow's lab. First thing you want to do is make sure this valve is open and these tubes are connected to the Venturi tube here. So you start off with the drain or the flow valve in the drain, and then you hit the calibrate button. Type in the password that's on the lab. Click on those. And then
measure volts.
Yeah, so first we're gonna, down here's the flow rate, so we're gonna raise that up to 10. And then we'll see the water start flowing through the tube here in a second. So it's flowing in now, slowly rising up to 10 on the scale. And it's flowing right into the drain. Is that up?
Max.
All right, so that's at max now. What you want to do right now is if you have any air bubbles, you can just clear them out. And yeah, just check the manometer, make sure the waters are at a decent level. This is just for the calibration. So the lab starts at 40 liters per minute, so you're gonna want to bring it down until this reference value looks around 40. And then this is when you start the experiment. So first, measure the volts, gain, and the offset. And you want to bring this meter up to 0. You can do that by, you just plug the drain. Yeah, so bring this out, plug the drain. Go until it reaches 0.
And start a timer.
And then, yeah, once it reaches 0, you're going to want to start a timer. All hands on deck at the moment, so I can't show you, but once it reaches 0, it's gonna start rising slowly, and essentially you wait until it reaches 25 on the scale, and that's how you measure the flow rate. So you wanna do this whole experiment, I won't show you for sake of time. You're gonna wanna do it for 40 liters per minute, 30 liters per minute, and 15 liters per minute. And you're gonna take this value down by 5. So every time you take it down by 5, you measure the volts, the gain, and the offset. Missing anything?
And
Nope.
when you're measuring the time it takes to rise from 0 to 25 at 40, 30, and 15, you wanna run that trial 3 times to make sure that your timing isn't off or that there wasn't an error potentially.
Yep.
Besides that,
Yeah, besides that, I think we're set. So that's part 1 of the lab, the calibration.